everybody, welcome to DIY Everything. Today we're going to be making this super cute pull tab. So how it works is like there's a pull tab, you see that and it says pull, and then you can pull it out, and there's you unfold it and there's a message inside. Mine's just a dancing crayon. So yeah. So let me put this back. And yeah. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make craft. So for what you need is you can use like any drawing materials if you want to write your message or to decorate it, whatever you want, and a pencil or pen maybe, something like that. Like I'm going to use crayons to decorate my outside, and I'm going to use a pencil to write on the inside. And you're going to need a piece of construction paper or copy paper or printing paper. So first what you do is you fold it in half, like this. And then you unfold it, and then you fold all of the corners in like this. So you should get this. And then you fold this in like this. So you fold in this like this, and then you fold in this other side like this. So you get this. Then you flip it over, and on this side you write your message or drawing, whatever you want to do. Let me write my message. Okay, so I wrote my message, and then I'm going to fold it in half, like this, so I get this, and then I'm going to unfold it, and then I've made a guideline here, so I'm going to fold this again, but just this side, so that it lands a little, so like it'll crease a little bit under the first line you made. Or it can crease at the line, whatever you like, but at the line doesn't work so well. A little bit lower than that. See, so you should get this, right? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip it over. That just made another guideline for you. And then you're gonna fold it in half on this side too. And then you're gonna fold this down, so this part even comes less than that this time. And this line that you made earlier will be a guideline for this. And this guideline was to tell you where this part will stop. So what you're going to do is fold this, and then like this, and then fold this down. See that? And then fold it, unfold it, tuck it, and then bring it back and tuck it into these pockets up here. And you're just gonna tuck it in nice and neat. Just a second. Yeah, there we go. There. And that's your pull tab, and now you can decorate the outside however you'd like. You can do polka dots, stripes, stars, whatever you want. See that? Pretty cool, huh? Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and wait, before I say bye, let me show you my inside. DIY is awesome. And if you want to put it, like once you've pulled it, if you want to put it back, you can just fold this down and then fold this up and tuck it back in. Thanks for watching. Bye. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.